Welcome to the world of laser cutting, a place where technology meets creativity, where the limits of your imagination are brought to life with precision, speed, and artistry. Whether you're a curious beginner or an experienced maker looking to level up, this guide will take you on a journey to unlock the full potential of laser cutting. What is laser cutting and why should you care? Laser cutting is a revolutionary process that uses the power of light to cut or engrave materials with incredible accuracy. Think of it as your digital sculptor. From CO2 lasers excelling in nonmetals, to fiber lasers tackling heavy-duty metals, and diode lasers perfect for lightweight projects, each type brings unique strengths to the table. The result: clean, precise, and versatile cuts, perfect for projects big and small. Imagine creating anything from custom jewelry to industrial components, all with just the push of a button. Choosing the right laser cutter. Your laser cutter is your partner in creativity, so choosing the right one is key. CO2 lasers are the go-to choice for wood, acrylic, and leather enthusiasts, while fiber lasers dominate the metalworking world. Diode lasers, on the other hand, are perfect for hobbyists dipping their toes in the laser game. Consider your materials, precision needs, budget, and workspace. Models like the Glowforge for creators or the industrial-grade bistronic fiber laser cater to every level of expertise. Essential laser cutting safety tips. Before we power up, let's talk safety. Laser safety glasses protect your eyes from harmful radiation, while proper ventilation is crucial to manage fumes and prevent fires. Always handle materials carefully, as some, like PVC, can release toxic chemicals when cut. Remember, safety isn't just a precaution, it's a priority. Mastering laser cutting skills. Mastery comes with practice. Start with simple projects to build confidence, then push your boundaries with advanced materials like anodized aluminum or techniques like inlay work. Experimentation is the secret sauce to understanding how settings like speed and power interact with different materials. And don't shy away from mistakes. They're your stepping stones to success. Benefits of laser cutting. Precision. Laser cutting excels at delivering pinpoint accuracy. The laser beam can cut materials within fractions of a millimeter, ensuring highly detailed and intricate designs. This makes it ideal for applications requiring tight tolerances like jewelry, electronics, and custom art. Speed. Compared to traditional cutting methods, laser cutting is significantly faster, especially for thin materials. The process is automated through CAD designs, enabling rapid production of complex patterns without the need for tool changes. Clean cuts. The intense heat from the laser beam melts or vaporizes the material, leaving smooth and precise edges without the need for additional finishing. This is particularly useful for creating polished and professional-looking projects. One final benefit of laser cutting: it saves time and reduces costs in the long run, making it a smart investment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more creative content. See you next time.